In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request updates automatically in Smartsheet. Update Requests 2026. We're going to use Smartsheet's built-in automation templates, so you can collect updates from teammates without chasing them manually. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to select to kick off an update request workflow. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. This works best on a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. If you're already signed in, Smartsheet may take you straight to your account. Go ahead and log into your Smartsheet account. If your organization uses single sign-on, choose that option. Otherwise, enter your usual credentials. That's it for sign in, quick and simple. After you log in, you'll land on your home page. Think of home as your command center. You'll see your recent items, favorites, and your workspaces. If you manage multiple projects, this view helps you jump to the right place fast. From the home page, click All Workspaces. A workspace is like a container for related sheets, reports, and dashboards. Using workspaces keeps access organized and makes it easier to standardize processes like automations across a team or project. Now, select the workspace that contains the sheet you want to automate, and then open that sheet. Update requests work best when your sheet has clear owners or assignees, typically stored in a contact column, because that's how Smartsheet knows who should receive the request. If your sheet already uses assignee, owner, or requester fields, you're in great shape. At the top of your sheet, click Automation. You'll see a few ways to build workflows. To move quickly, we'll use the automation templates. Templates are pre-built workflows you can apply and then tailor to your needs, saving you time and reducing setup mistakes. In the template gallery, look for the category called Update and Approval Requests. Choose any update request automation that fits your situation. For example, one that sends an update request on a schedule or when a row changes. Click Use Template. This loads the workflow with sensible defaults like a trigger and an action to request updates, and it helps you avoid building everything from scratch. From here, you'll be able to review the pre-filled logic and align it with your sheet's columns and recipients. A quick tip as you proceed: update requests let people update only the fields you specify, and recipients don't need a paid license to respond. They can complete the request securely from the email link. That's it. You've found and applied an update request automation template in Smartsheet, the fastest path to collecting accurate, timely updates without the manual follow-up.